So as a drone pilot, we often get asked, how did you get into this job? What's a spicy day at work look like? How much do you make? What industries are using drones for hire? So we here at Rocket Drones decided it was time to launch a podcast that we lovingly call Aerial Perspectives. Aerial Perspectives is designed to deliver really firsthand content from our Rolodex of unique drone pilots that we've met over the last decade of being in this business and working with these professionals. So everything from a spicy day inspecting a wind turbine to filming on a movie set to law enforcement to agriculture, inspection work, and so on. So, one of the things that we like to really enlighten folks here with at Rocket Drones and Aerial Perspectives is that this is a space that's growing rapidly with opportunities in just about every industry out there. At first, drones were kind of in the chapter of doing imagery services, of highlighting things for sale like houses and boats and things of that nature. But now they've spread so far into agriculture applications that are replacing crop dusters and strategically spraying where crops only need it, to construction progress imagery, keeping investors informed of where their projects are, over to aerial photography, videography, obviously search and rescue. The list really is endless. And for those of you that are interested in how to get into this industry or just curious about these jobs in the drone space, stay tuned, subscribe, and let us know what you think of our channel. With that, I'll kick off with the first episode of Aerial Perspectives. Thanks for watching.